unit vectors. أكيد هودي أنتوا أخدينهم. اليونت vector هي I, J and K. هن just to give a direction to any vector. يعني if the vector is in the x-axis direction, we can say I, J in the y-axis, K in the z-axis. Any vector can be written in function of I and J. We can put the magnitude of the components with the direction. For example, if we have an example, okay, I can give you an example. How can we add two vectors? This is an example. I give you an example. We have y-axis, we have here x-axis, and here we have, for example, A, and here we have B. So here it's A vector and here it's B. We have a lot of colors. This is A and this is B. Geometrically, A has two component vectors. It means, excuse me, A has AX and AY. By doing what? The projection here and here. This is AX, this is AX in the I direction. AX can be written, this is AX. AX vector can be written as AX magnitude in the direction of I. If AX in the other direction, we put minus I. The same for AY. AY is in the direction of J, equal the magnitude of AY times J. We can write, how can we add A and B? Geometrically, by the diagonal. We talked about this before. We can do a diagonal. We can complete this form like this, okay? Okay, anyway. This is A plus B. So here we have R equal A plus B. This is geometrically. We have to do it by calculation. So R equal A plus B. A equal AXI plus AYJ. You know this. And B also, we have BXI and BYJ. We can do the same for B. B has BX and BY. So we can add the I component with the I component. this with this. So ax plus bx, we take common I, and ay by we take a j common factor. Any vector A R can be written with two components, R equal Rx, two component vectors, Rx plus Ry. So R equal Rx plus Ry, this value equal this, and this value equal this. يعني Rx I equal Ax plus Bx I, and Ryj equal Ay plus Byj. How can we calculate the magnitude of the vector? We saw this equals the radical Rx square plus Ry square is the radical of the square of the components, equal Rx square plus Ry square. And the angle theta equal 10 minus 1 y component divided by x component. Where is the angle of R? It's the angle between the x-axis and the R vector. It's here. This is the angle. This is the angle of R. This is A. This is the angle of A. Okay, and so on.